Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to improve your Zone 2 pace. We'll start by defining Zone 2, which is crucial for building aerobic endurance without excessive strain. This zone typically falls between 60 and 70% of your maximum heart rate. Maintaining this effort level consistently helps your body become more efficient at using fat for fuel, leading to better long-term performance and reduced fatigue during extended activities. To effectively train in Zone 2, consistent heart rate monitoring is key. Wear a reliable heart rate monitor to ensure you stay within your target range, typically 60 to 70% of your maximum. Focus on maintaining a steady effort where you can comfortably hold a conversation. Gradually extend the duration of these sessions, perhaps starting with 30 minutes and building up to 60 minutes or more over several weeks. While Zone 2 is foundational, varying your training is beneficial. Dedicate 1 or 2 sessions per week to long, slow-distance efforts within Zone 2. Additionally, include one shorter, higher-intensity workout to improve your overall fitness ceiling. Don't forget strength training, focusing on compound movements like squats and lunges 2 to 3 times a week. This comprehensive approach builds resilience and prevents plateaus, enhancing your Zone 2 capabilities. Proper nutrition and recovery are as vital as the training itself. Ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to repair and adapt. Fuel your body with a balanced diet, emphasizing complex carbohydrates for energy and lean protein for muscle repair. Remember, improving your Zone 2 pace is a gradual process, often taking 8 to 12 weeks to see significant changes. Be patient and consistent with your efforts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.